The rubber on your tires is pretty sturdy. You can't do much just wiping them with a microfiber towel. To really pull out the grime, you need to use the right brush for the job. Here's what to look for when choosing a tire brush. For light cleaning, like a maintenance wash on your tires, a soft bristle brush like this with flexible bristles works just fine, even with a car wash soap. But if you really got to get in there and remove tire browning, oxidation, or old dressings, you're going to want to choose a tire brush with stiff bristles. Now, there are stiff bristle long brushes and there are stiff bristle short brushes. And here's the difference. With the longer brush, it takes more muscle to actually move and scrub the tire. That's why they actually make short bristle brushes. It's easier for you to really scrub hard to get all that gunk off there. And if you're given a choice between a brush with white bristles or black bristles, I would tend to always want to choose the brush with white bristles, and here's why. A lot of times, besides cleaning tires, you can use this brush for other things. For example, cleaning a stain out of the floor mats in your car. With a black bristle brush, if the bristles have turned black with old removed tire dressing and browning, can't really see it. But with a white bristle brush, you can, so you know it's either contaminated or it's not contaminated, so you can go ahead and use it for other things. For deep cleaning tires to remove browning, oxidation, and old tire dressings, here's a recommendation where you can take all the work out of the process, and that's by using a cordless drill with a brush attachment. By using a cordless electric drill with a brush attachment, you take all the strain and all the work out of the process. It does a better job than you scrubbing by hand, and because it's cordless, you've eliminated any shock hazard when working in a wet environment. As you can see, choosing the correct tool to clean your tires is vitally important. Visit our decision guide to dial in your tire cleaning process.